Yep.
Very colorful.
Peacock bass. See, it's a male with a giant hump on it.
Wow, that's really cool.
He smells weird because this water's polluted. Yeah, I got a picture. You want to get another one?
Yeah. Has it been out for a long time?
A little bit, yeah. Just do it quickly. You got some weird colors.
I can't do anything quickly.
Yeah, it's tough with the light. I want to get a picture just because the colors are so amazing on it.
This is an ugly one, believe it or not.
Really? Yeah, wow, that is cool.
You see how the weird, see it's like faded a little bit? And the fins are like,
go back up.
this water is so dirty that the fish in here look weird.
Hold it up again.
Yeah, I imagine. Doesn't treat them well.
Yeah, I gotta put this guy back on his bed. Alright, that was part one of this next Florida series. I got my retainers in, so it's probably going to be hard to understand me, but I'm just going to go over what happened today. I landed pretty late, so there was literally basically no time to fish. I called up this bait store, and like they close at 6, and we get there at 6:03. I called them on the way and tell them that, can you stay open for us? Just we'll be there at 6 o'clock. Can you just please pick up a dozen shiners? And they're like, yeah. The guy was really chill. Big shout out to Kendall Bait and Tackle. And anyway, my mom doesn't want to go any farther south because we're pretty far south. So I just fished this random canal, and apparently it's like salt water or something. It's like brackish water. The guy says he's never seen anyone catch something there in 6 years. And there's a freaking there's a giant false albacore, like a 15, 16 pound tuna that was dead in the canal. So then I moved spots to some random lake, and it's looking super shallow. I've already used maybe 4 or 5 shiners or something like that. And this kid was fishing, he was catching bluegill. He said, I've asked him if he's seen any peacocks, and he says, I've only seen them by the tennis course across the lake. He points across the lake. I see the tennis course. We drive around, it's getting super dark out. I'm walking along, I see some pretty big fish. They must have been gar, grass carp, or sloppy or something, I don't know. And then I see a couple small bass. I lose a small bass or a peacock or something. I'm not sure what it was. And then I'm walking along, and I just see one, like a 3-pounder, just move off the bank when it sees me. I literally just dropped my bait there, and as you saw, it hooked up. That was the pretty cool moment. I'd give that 30-minute peacock bass challenge. Hopefully you guys enjoyed and are prepared for some more content. I'll be here for 3 days. Hopefully we can get at least 3 videos out. We'll have to see. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Touch it. Touch this.
Oh, what is that?
It's a pleco.
Really?
Look at the teeth.
Wow. So they're invasive?
Oh yeah, I should probably kill it.
Yeah.
Actually, it's just basically just a dinosaur.
Wow, that's really cool. Do you get a picture?
I think so.